Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on natural beauty and wellness. In today's video, I'm going to talk about castor oil, a versatile and affordable oil that has many benefits for your skin, hair, and health. Make sure to make my day by subscribing to my channel. Now, let's begin. Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, which is native to India and Africa. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, such as constipation, inflammation, infections, and skin problems. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals that nourish and moisturize your skin and hair. It also has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that can help treat acne, eczema, psoriasis, and fungal infections. Here are some of the ways you can use castor oil for your beauty and wellness. For your skin, you can apply castor oil directly to your face or body as a moisturizer, or mix it with other oils like coconut, almond, or olive oil for a more lightweight feel. Castor oil can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, scars, stretch marks, and dark spots. It can also help heal acne, eczema, psoriasis, and fungal infections by killing the bacteria and fungus that cause them. You can also use castor oil as a makeup remover, as it can dissolve dirt, oil, and makeup without drying out your skin. For your hair, you can massage castor oil into your scalp and hair as a deep conditioner, or mix it with other oils like jojoba, argan, or avocado oil for a more nourishing effect. Castor oil can help stimulate hair growth, prevent hair loss, and repair split ends. It can also help moisturize your scalp, reduce dandruff, and fight scalp infections. You can leave castor oil on your hair for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for better results. Then, wash it off with a mild shampoo and conditioner. For your health, you can take castor oil orally as a laxative or apply it to your abdomen as a compress. Castor oil can help relieve constipation, improve digestion, and detoxify your liver. It can also help reduce inflammation, pain, and swelling in your joints, muscles, and organs. You can also use castor oil as a natural remedy for menstrual cramps, headaches, colds, and coughs. However, you should consult your doctor before taking castor oil orally, as it can have some side effects, such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Castor oil is a wonderful oil that can benefit your skin, hair, and health in many ways. You can find castor oil in most health food stores, online, or in some pharmacies. Make sure you buy pure, organic, and cold-pressed castor oil for the best quality and results. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about castor oil. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. Also, let me know in the comments below how you use castor oil, or if you have any questions or suggestions for me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.